online business can feel overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner with no experience or a big budget. That's why dropshipping in 2025 is one of the best entry points. It allows you to build a real business without holding inventory or spending thousands up front. Step 1. Choose a niche with consistent demand. Think about categories like fitness gear, eco-friendly products, or productivity tools. Items people buy repeatedly. Step 2. Set up your online store using Shopify or e-commerce. Keep it professional, simple to navigate, and optimize for Step 3. Connect with reliable suppliers on platforms like Spocket or CJ Dropshipping to ensure product quality and fast delivery. Step 4. Bring in customers through marketing. Use targeted ads, social media content, and email campaigns to generate sales and build long-term